Guys, ang gabi ang lutog snack sa akong mama.
It's
How do you put
wheat,
it? Huh?
wheat
With flour?
flour, onion, wheat flour, onion, and coriander leaf, then
Green chili,
green chili,
curry leaf.
curry leaf, chili powder, all mixed together, then fry in oil. Like a snack or a unique snack.
It's not live,
Huh?
It's not live.
Or it's vlog.
So good.
கட் பண்றதுல இருந்து எடுக்கணும் நீங்க. இந்த வெங்காயம் கட் பண்ணி
I'm cooking.
அப்ப அது ஒரு கண்டினியூவா காட்டலாம்.
Onion. And tomato. Tomato, right?
Yeah.
Onion and tomato. How do you call this one?
Which one?
Snack?
Which one?
How do you call this? Snack.
This one? This we call wheat fried. Wheat fried. And that we don't call. It's like a Indian snack. Homemade.
Look like fish ball.
Yeah, fish ball. Nuggets. Like crispy. Inside is so soft. Inside. Outside is very crispy. Wait, I will show inside how inside. I will show you guys.
What's that?
Yeah. Like this. Inside, like this inside. It's inside very soft like that. Okay, next round. We go to next round. I'm going to do
For the last round?
Yeah.
Last round? Is it last round?
Maybe.
So you can see the last. Last round?
Yeah, last round. After we eat with tea. Eat with tea or coffee. Good snack. Crispy.
Maybe I can use the milk. The greatest